Okay, let's do the 1, 2, 3 game. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So he stayed with me. He's interested enough, so we might be able to move a little bit with that now. He's learned that he's getting fed on 3, and he's sticking around. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice job, bud. So I didn't move, but he moved to me, so that was great. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. You want to search? 5 to 10 treats, send him off. He's doing really good. He's really starting to figure out that 3 means to track and stay with